Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. Have you ever wondered how you can change your settings in Gmail? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it is very easy to change the settings in your Gmail. So of course, you'll need to log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. And then we'll just look at the upper right part of your screen, and then you can see here um, the settings icon, and then just click on it. Once you click on it, you can easily see the quick settings, but since we want to go deeper into the settings management, let's click see all settings, and it will direct you to the settings page. As you can see, you have a lot of options to personalize your account, and also you can choose for the labels, your inbox, accounts and import, filters and block addresses, forwarding and POP or IMAP, add-ons. You can also chat and meet using the Google Meet and the Google Chat. You can also change your advanced settings and your offline settings. Once you're done doing your settings or changing your settings, all you have to do is click the save changes at the bottom part of your screen. So that's it on how you can change your settings in general, labels, inbox, and etc. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!